Waka or stay. 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 Una don't start again. Don't tell me say don't worry. Do you know who I be? Do you know that I the consult for Lagos? Don't tell me. Okay. Waka or stay. Thank you. Waka or stay. Thank you. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Thank you. Waka or stay. 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 Waka, thank you. We are choosing just two. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka, thank you. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Thank you. Thank you. They said waka. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Come, the five of you. I will ask one more time. And if you are confuse me, I give the power to the judges. We need just two. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. I know what to do. Waka or stay. Thank you. No be yay. Waka or stay. Waka or stay. Ah.
Okay, you're just an independent. For real? You randomly just pick up your stuff. That's nice. I wanted to ask for something, but
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
What's that?
I'm giving the power to the judges right
I
now.
wanted to ask for something.
So the judges, you take two down and bring back one back again.
I work with Ideas House Marketing Company.
You know you have power to choose one, so you understand.
Okay. So am I supposed to get your number?
No problem.
Your choice.
We
I'm precious. All right, thank you very much.
don't say
Thank
because I'm
you.
drinking it.
Thank you.
We are meant to support one another. Because you don't know what. That's what I'm telling you that it shouldn't be a big thing. Because you don't know me, that's all.
Let's last smash. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So what's happening?
All right, DJ.
So when I send you, just flash me. Once I send you what I have for you,
Right? Okay, you're
then
looking sharp.
Hi all.
what you
Good afternoon.
do as a
Yeah, we've been trying
partner,
to choose
as
the
a
best
kind of
street
colleague.
MTM.
Okay,
This
so
was our
you're
song
Tiade.
for
Okay,
the DJs.
okay. Let me see it.
Sorry, let me quickly get this guy. I can put myself here.
Of course, of course.
Creation lead of Dundo. And we are a top music platform with over 21.5 million users across Africa. The platform where you can access top music from your favorites. I'm talking about Rema, I'm talking about Joe Boy, I'm talking about Erastar and other top artists. With just 100 Naira, you can access this content, this premium content, if you subscribe for the week. And with just 50 Naira, you can also access top content for 3 days of the week. Yeah. So we are here to have a mini DJ battle for the DJs. So if you are a DJ in the house, just come over to the stand. I'll be waiting for you. I just need 5 DJs to battle. I have cool prizes for you. We have a smartphone, we have merchandise, we have hoodies, we have t-shirts for you to win. Just come over to meet us here. We'll select you and put you on to battle live so that you can win these prizes. So yeah, DJs in the house, come over to this part and let's battle. Alligator, yeah, come over to this part of the venue so we can see you and get you up so you can battle live with other DJs and win cool prizes. Thank you.
Una don hear am? They say with 100 naira subscription, you go fit enjoy all those contents, all those artists where you like. Where Rema, my brother, enjoy yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll go through the introduction. Are you ready? Your name?
My name is Wichwe Ifeanyi, aka Chester Lino.
My name is Afolabi Somode, aka Little Zino.
My name is Samson Andy.
I go by the name Akindori Miso Chipabi.
My name is James Umana, aka Double B.
My name is Henry Ennis.
My name is Enemosa Michael, please.
My name is Barack Wamale.
My name is Falish Oladele, aka Oladele.
My name is Lawal Adebabo.
My name is Maxi.
All right, this is the last match. Ladies and gentlemen, to go first, we be Ifeanyi.
Make I catch your face. Okay, mind you now. You don't dey back, huh? You dey Imba. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you are a DJ, come to the side. Just 5 DJs. Good job.
They don't tell you that say smartphone day. Good is day. Some people are here now go build a house. So men are come. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for
Àwọn people yẹn wọ́n tì mí gan. Kíní yẹn ó máa padà wo tó máa put pressure yẹn. Wọ́n tì mí gan bọ̀bọ̀ yìí ọmọ ìkéde yẹn. Ọlọ́run bless yẹn. Ìbáǹkì ló máa shoot fídíò fún tó bá ti ṣe yẹn ó ti help ẹ̀. Ọmọ yẹn bá lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi ó ti sọ mi ti máa mú fún kíní báyìí. Ó ní ìmọ̀ kó tiẹ̀ lè rap ó tiẹ̀ lè everybody tó bá gba mic ó ti express ara ẹ̀.
Ladies and gentlemen, we still want to thank our wonderful partners very quickly. Want to thank Close Up. May not thank them, you know they easy. Undundo. Would they thank them too? You know they easy. Would they thank Nescafe, Imperial Blue? Thank We dey thank una well, una too much.